Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get very quickly the sum of a column in Excel using keyboard shortcuts. In order to do that, I'm coming to the column where I have the prices, and here, as you can see, I have the grand total. I'm coming to the right side of total cell, and from our keyboard, pressing and releasing the Alt key. After that, we are pressing and releasing the H key. After that, pressing and releasing the U key. After that, we are pressing and releasing the S key. As you can see, the Excel have done the job for us and get the cells from the top till the bottom of the table and create the sum formula for us. Pressing enter, and voila, we have get the sum of a column just using the keyboard shortcuts very quickly. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.